Hi everyone, I'm Emma Allen and the purpose of this video is to discuss cyberbullying and digital drama. Cyberbullying should never be underestimated. Bullies and mean girls have always been around, but technology now gives kids a whole new platform for their actions. According to Kids Health, cyberbullying is described as using technology to harass, threaten, embarrass, or target another person. This can be done through cell phones, text messages, websites, and social media platforms. Research concludes that it occurs the most among young people. Spreading rumors and bullying is already bad enough, and social media intensifies the hurt, humiliation, and drama in a very public way. It's public humiliation sent instantly to everyone the victim knows, and unfortunately, the internet is very difficult to monitor. Cyberbullying is ideal for bullies because they can hide behind a screen and remain anonymous. Severe, extensive, or frequent cyberbullying can leave both the victim and the bully at a greater risk of anxiety, depression, and other stress-related disorders. It leads to real and lasting harm. Digital drama is a serious issue and can lead to students getting their feelings hurt or losing friendships. Signs of cyberbullying include the victims being emotionally upset and secretive, withdrawing from their friends and family, and changing their mood and behaviors. There are many possible ways for students to avoid or escape cyberbullying. They can block the bully on whatever platform the drama is occurring, limit their social media use, and notify someone they trust can help them. According to Common Sense Education, it's important to educate about cyberbullying in schools so students can learn how to create positive online communities and recognize their roles in escalating or de-escalating digital drama. All students have a choice in their online relationships, and they can choose to say something positive or something mean. And that's it for me. Thank you for watching this video.